Okay, these guys just delivered my mill. I've taken off all the plastic wrap, and on top we have a power feed for the X-axis. Okay, we got the top peeled off. I'm looking down inside. I want to make sure that everything's okay. That hand wheel's a little close, but it's good, looks like. That one's a little close, but nothing hitting it. Oh, Lord. She's a thing of beauty. Oh, that is smooth. Got the DRO already on it. Oh, this is going to fit wonderfully right where I want it to go. Well, alright, I need to get the rest of the crate apart, and then I need to start taking it apart so I can take the pieces downstairs one by one. Okay, here we are with the box off of it. Wow. There's enough of that rust preventative lacquer on there to rust prevent an aircraft carrier. That's going to be fun. I've seen the videos of the guys getting that stuff off there. Yeah, that's going to take a while. And there's enough box elder bugs around here. It's time to mix up some malathion and commit box elder bug genocide. Okay, so I got most of it torn down. There's the column. There's the X and Y ways. And there's the spindle. The spindle and the column are light enough I can take it down by hand. But that, I may have to get a hand truck. Well, at least I got the electronics downstairs before it started raining. Hey, that's all I've got to do is take that apart, take those down. Ugh. Stupid weather. I hate Murphy. He's still angry that I slept with his wife. If he doesn't stop, I'm going to do his daughter and his mother. Okay. It's all downstairs. There's the base. There's the vertical. And that's the heavy one right there. That's got to be 110 pounds or more. Anyway, it's down here. Now I just need to get rid of the old mill. Yeah, I love my dirty shop. I don't care. Dirty shop is a sign of a productive person. There's the old mill. I've done a lot of upgrades to it. Put a bigger wheel on here. I got rid of a lot of the slop here on this worm gear. I put the belt drive on it. I raised it with this solid steel block so that I have more vertical height. And I put on some braces back here and welded them on because the only thing this vertical column was mounted by are these 3 bolts. Well, they're all in a line, so that means it's got a pivot point on it. Yeah, so this one's going to get basically taken apart. A friend of mine wants it, so he's got it. Okay, we got the base and the X-axis remounted on the base. And I knew it was going to be a bit of a tight fit. I may have to slide that lathe down just a little bit more, or maybe I can extend the shelf here, put something up underneath it so I can push it. That's what I'll do. I'll go further that way. All right, there we are. All of the big pieces put together. I just need to reinstall the digital readout, and then I need to put my power feed on over here on this end. But I did it all, and I don't have a hernia, but my back is killing me. So I'll continue on it tomorrow. Okay, we're all set up. Power feed is installed. Makes that clicking noise with the clutch every time I engage it, but it's up and working. DRO is up and looking. Look at the resolution on that, down to 10 millionths of an inch. I'll never go that far. This is all done. I've got it set on the higher belt because I do smaller work. That thing is incredibly quiet. I mean, I cannot believe how quiet it is. The only thing I got to figure out is why this isn't turning on. Anyway, it's 12:30 in the morning, so I'm done. I'm going to power this thing off and power that off. The head's been trammed in, and it less than half a thou from this end to this end. It is dead accurate front and back. I am absolutely shocked and very pleased that it's like that. All I have to do now is dial in my vise, and we can start making some parts, man. Okay, I am very happy with that run out. That collet is a cheap Chinese collet, so it's got 3/10 run out. Yeah, that is not a 1 thou indicator. If you look close, that's a 1/10,000th indicator. I have some precision ground collets on the way, which should take that completely out. I measured the spindle before I put a collet in there, and that needle never moved. Check this out. 1/4 scale, Sopwith Camel, World War I fighter. Not finished yet. That is totally scratch built. If you want to see how this magnificent museum piece is being built, go to YouTube, go to Grant's shop. There will be a picture of a jet on there.